Doug! It's him. It's him. You know where I am, Doug. NS 203.
203 clear Duluth 1-1.
Lot of good stuff on this one. Yes, sir! That's how we do it! Yeah! Look at that. We got a lot of good stuff on 203. Shout out to my boy, you already know. Cool Kid Nias. Giving me this great car report and the video. Look at the lighting. Man, they are not doing well over this part right here. Here, we're gonna grab a good zoom of him. And then we gotta come out.
We got traffic registration 614.5 A1.
See, then they have another restriction down there. Look at that. See that? Werner. Now watch, because that is not the only one. There are, count it, 11 more. You can hear the bumping. That's him going over that thing. It's a rail joint, I believe. I think it's loose. I don't know why they wouldn't just come out and fix it instead of just marking it with tape and still sending trains over it. That seems a little dangerous, but hey, do y'all. Stove BLT, I guess.
203 got a 15 mile per hour speed restriction. Head in only 615.3.
That's correct. Y'all just heard 3 different speed restrictions in the same 3 miles. Yeah, that's how much this thing has done. Tropical Storm Zeta really screwed things up. Oh, and might I add, the reason why you're still seeing train, just caught a 4th one. The reason you're seeing this train still go by, 203 is massive today. Go figure, 153 cars. They're still rolling over that. Now watch these trailers. YRC, KLLM, YRC. You ready? You ready? Because we're about to get it in one long sweep. Right here. Here we go. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and a BNSF right on the rear. Or right on the rear of that cut, rather. ABF, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. U-Pack ABF. There it is. I want to get you with words. Yeah. I didn't see the rest. I guess I missed that one. There are 12 more. There's one more right here. 2 cars with container graffiti. First one I've seen with color.